Hi, my name is Nadine. In this Prodentim I will uncover everything about Prodentim. But first, make sure you buy Prodentim supplements only from the official website. So, what is Prodentim Oral Care Supplement? Prodentim Supplement is an advanced oral health product designed to support healthy gums and teeth. This is a chewable supplement for oral administration packed with 3.5 billion probiotics and nutrients that replenish your mouth with beneficial bacteria that protect against dental disease and other dental problems. Why put pressure on your gums with frequent brushing when you can keep your teeth healthy all day long with Prodentim? How do Prodentim capsules work? We understand that bad bacteria cause dental problems, and to avoid them, we need to brush our teeth regularly after meals or at least twice a day. On the other hand, studies have shown that many of these toothpastes and mouthwashes contain toxins that kill the good bacteria in our mouths. This is why some people who brush their teeth regularly still have dental problems. This proves that an imbalance in oral health is caused by a lack of beneficial bacteria. To keep your teeth and gums healthy, you need to repopulate your mouth with these good bacteria. Here is where Prodentim comes in. It's a mixture of natural ingredients and a sea of beneficial bacteria that provides your body and mouth with the nutrients they need to keep them in optimal shape. It provides daily protection to your mouth against dental diseases and disorders and strengthens your gums and teeth against weak spots and cavities. What are the benefits of Prodentim Dental Health Formula? Improves oral health. Prodentim focuses primarily on dental health. Its blend of natural plant and mineral ingredients, along with billions of healthy bacteria, rids your mouth of harmful microbes and prevents the development of plaque, cavities, and gum infections. It promotes overall health and well-being. In addition to solving dental problems, the ingredients used in the formulation Prodentim are closely related to the relief of symptoms of indigestion and diarrhea. They also promote weight loss and healthy skin and boost the body's immunity. Reduce visits to the dentist. Prodentim guarantees you thousands of dollars in savings on dental visits. This greatly improves oral health and prevents the occurrence of dental diseases and disorders that require special care. It supports teeth whitening. Prodentim not only fights harmful bacteria in the mouth, the presence of dicalcium phosphate, a healthier alternative to fluoride, but also prevents tooth decay and effectively whitens teeth. Easy to use. The application of Prodentim does not create a load on gums and teeth. It is very easy to chew and takes very little time to digest. How to use Prodentim correctly? To optimally support the health of your body, gums, and teeth, it is recommended to chew a Prodentim dietary supplement tablet every morning. Does it have any risky side effects? Produced under strict, sterile, and precise standards, Prodentim is considered safe for all ages and medical conditions. Its ingredients are constantly tested for toxins and pollutants before use, ensuring their safety. Similarly, from the reviews of the product, there have been no reports of negative side effects from its use. However, it is recommended that you show the supplement bottle to your doctor before use if you have a medical condition or are taking prescription pills. Conclusion: Prodentim is suitable for people of all ages. The ingredients inside are safe, as said already, and are tested for purity and ensuring not having any toxins. On top of that, Prodentim is made in FDA-approved facility, ensuring sterile and strict standards. So, why wait until you have a serious health problem before taking the necessary steps to protect your oral health? You can save yourself unnecessary pain and expense by making the right decision now. With the Prodentim app, you can say goodbye to dental worries while enjoying your overall well-being. A well-timed seam saves 9, get yours now. For more details and the official website link, check the description below the video.